Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jain fried rice. First, understand that Jain cooking strictly avoids root vegetables such as onions, garlic, and potatoes. This principle of nonviolence, or ahimsa, guides all food choices, aiming to minimize harm to living organisms. We focus on fresh, above-ground vegetables to create a delicious and authentic fried rice dish that respects these traditions. Choosing the right ingredients is key for Jain fried rice. Start with 3 cups of cooked, cooled long-grain rice like basmati. For vegetables, opt for vibrant bell peppers, shredded cabbage, and chopped green beans. These provide great texture and color. To build flavor, we'll use grated ginger and finely chopped green chilies, along with soy sauce, chili sauce, and a small amount of sugar for balance. Let's get cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a large wok or deep nonstick pan. First, add your chopped green beans and bell peppers, sautéing them for 2 to 3 minutes until they are slightly tender crisp. Next, incorporate the shredded cabbage and cook for just 1 minute. Finally, add your cooked rice, along with soy sauce, chili sauce, salt, and a pinch of black pepper, mixing everything gently to combine. To perfect your Jain fried rice, continue cooking for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally to ensure even heating and flavor distribution. It's important that the rice grains remain separate and the vegetables retain a pleasant crunch. Serve your delicious fried rice immediately to enjoy its fresh flavors and textures. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some freshly chopped coriander leaves before serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.